welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag review. So today we are doing the October bag, which is so freaking cute. So it's got like these little slightly embossed spider webs on it, and the zipper pull, which has a bit of plastic around it that I'm trying to get off of here so I can show you it. Give me 1 second. It's so cute though, it's gonna be worth it. Like, unless you're arachnophobic, but a little itty bitty delicate spider. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, it's little tiny Boris the spider. I love it. Anyway, so gonna go in here, get our card for Halloween. But yes, ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month? Welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. I never saw a place to vote on it, but whatever, I guess I missed that. But hey, we do have the info on the stuff, so hey. First thing was the one thing that didn't fit in the bag, and it's a brush by YC Collection, and it's a Y01 cheek brush. And ooh, look, it's so cute and pink. It's an interesting shape, because, like, the throat of it is, like, kind of indented right here. And then it tapers here, and it's cool, like, I think it's metal, actually. And then the brush itself, it's, like, a bit pointed, a little bit, like, tapered to the one side. It's very interestingly shaped, and I love the pink tips on the bristles. I can tell it's synthetic, but it's very soft, though, so no complaints. So this, obviously, is full-size. Retails for $22, which... nice. But yeah, the precision bristles on this brush are ideal for applying blush evenly and flawlessly with zero smudges. Get ready to flawlessly flush. Tip, you can even use this brush to apply concealer too. Good to know. So we got a brush. We also got... this is from Formula Z Cosmetics, and it's the Luxe Diamond Gloss in the color Obsessed. And I think there's glitter in it. There, you can see when I turn it. Yeah, so this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $18. But yeah, this lip gloss is infused with hyaluronic Z technology. Trademarked. Don't know what hyaluronic Z is. That replenishes and recharges skin hydration levels to effectively volumize, plump, and sculpt. It contains other oils and extracts that add moisture to dry, chapped lips and a noticeable shine. Tip, layer this gloss on top of your lipstick. Or, you know, just wear it on its own, especially if you want to do those things. So anyway, so there's that. We've also got, this is from Best Face Forward. It's the clarifying toner, obviously, again, sample size. Full size is $29. So, introducing your secret weapon in the fight against breakouts. A combo of acids helps stop zits before they start by helping to minimize excess oils and dissolve trapped gunk in your pores. Then, ceramides and hyaluronic acid help keep you hydrated, not clogged long term. Tip, be generous. Your skin should feel damp as you press it in. Well, yeah. Isn't that how all toner works? Anyway. Then we have, from First Aid Beauty, the Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask, and this is another deluxe sample size. Full size is $30. Like a vacuum for your skin, this detoxifying mask helps purge your pores of dirt, oil, and impurities in 10 minutes. Your skin will feel tightened and deeply purified. Tip, leave on for 10 minutes or until the mask is completely dry, whichever comes first. And then, last thing in this bag, but remember, we always have the 2 bags when it comes to these. Oh, it's so little. It's very cute. Where's it open at? Oh. This side. Well, there's tape. Hold on. There we go. Itty bitty bubble wrap. So this is a Chiate London metallic eyeshadow in Peach Party. It's deluxe sample size. Full size is $20. Let's see the color. Cute little single, though. It'd be even better if it would come out of its box. Okay, I'm going to open both ends and shove it through, because clearly it's having an issue. There we go. Alright, let's see what color it actually is. It's this cute little mauve on the box. The actual shade. Oh, Okay. That's actually pretty. Well, I mean, I had no doubt it was going to be pretty, but I mean, that's not what I was expecting given the photo, because, like, they make it look like fucking orange. Like, this does not look like that by any means, but that's okay. This is prettier, in my opinion. So, yes, a one-shade dimensional eye look is possible thanks to this metallic peach shadow. The rich, shimmering shade coats your lids in a color so rich it looks like you spent hours swiping and blending. Tip: press, don't swipe the shadow onto your lids for the most full-on color payoff. Well, yeah, with metallics, that's how you do. But anyway, pop that back in there for now. Come on, cooperate. Something like that. Anyway, that's that bag. And then that's the empty one. Other one. Okay. Oh, good. We have the info again. Perfect. Love that. Let's also unwrap this little Spidey guy, too. Because they're so cute. We'll free you from your plastic. I can figure out which side it's on. Well, I can always do that later, too. That's okay. If it doesn't want to cooperate easily. Which I don't think it's going to. Oh, wait. Actually, wait. I might be able to just pull this one off if it doesn't get stuck on, like, the little short legs, which it's trying to. If I stretch it over them. Yeah, it's not really cooperating. Wait, got it. Cool. Anyway. So, in this one, we have a different brush, same brand. They labeled what they are on them? No, okay. So, this one looks like this. And this is a Y02 Glow brush. So this also retails for $22. And with ultra wide bristles, this brush is ideal for applying shadow evenly and flawlessly with zero streaks or smudges. Tip: you can even use this brush to apply concealer too. Literally the same thing as the other one. Okay, cool. So, given the huge size difference there, I'm like, that's an interesting take to have on them. And that's definitely metal. Those are hefty, but very nice. Anywho, next up, we have a dupe of the Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask, so we won't read that twice. Then we have, Kopari. Kopari Beauty Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid. Obviously deluxe sample size, full size is $32. Now, who doesn't want buttery soft skin? Thanks to this whipped body butter, your skin will be smoother than you've ever imagined without being greasy. It's packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and antioxidant-rich plant extracts to deeply moisturize and help protect. Tip: apply on damp post-shower skin to lock in that hydration even more. Okay, will do. That's typically how I use body butters anyway. Next, what is this? This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Deluxe Magic Touch Concealer in 2. I guess the color is 2. We can kind of see the shade down at the bottom edge. That looks very light. Like, very, very light. Little nervous about that. Okay, let's look at it. That's very loose. Was that just, like, open that whole time? Whoa, buddy. Whoo, buddy. Why did I smell it? That was weird. I'm sorry. Anyway, let's read the thing. Full size of that is $29, by the way. So they don't call it magic for nothing. This creamy buildable formula can correct, brighten, and blur while still looking like skin. Swipe it directly under your eyes, over breakouts, or anywhere you want extra coverage, then blend out with your finger or a beauty sponge. Tip: to cover a blemish, apply a dot directly in the center, then gently blend out just the edges. Like, as if we didn't... Okay, whatever. Anyway, then the last thing in here... Oh, it's so little. It's a Jasmine Beauty Lip Lock Lipstick in Stay Cozy. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $20. So little. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's even littler than I thought. Look how adorable that is. Oh, that's actually really pretty. That's a good amount of product, honestly. Like, even for as small as this is, that's a decent amount. Like, I'm not even mad about that not being full size. That's still, like... 0.5 ounces. That's like a little less than like a soft lips lip balm. So, like the skinny sticks. So that'll still last plenty long. I'm telling ya. So, let's pop that back in the box for now. And it says, lockdown color and luminosity with this high coverage lipstick in a rosy mauve shade. The satin finish stays smudge proof but doesn't dry out your lips thanks to its hydrating formula. Apply all over your lips, then blot to blend and ensure full coverage. See, they also recommend the blot trick. Told you guys, I know what I'm talking about sometimes. But yeah, that is what I got in my October 2022 Ipsy Glam bags. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If this was recent enough to where you remember what you got in yours, share it down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything down in the comments. And as always, you know where to find me on my socials down below. My Facebook fan page, Twitter, Instagram, eBay, Reddit, everything and more. It's all down in the box. And you all know the drill for the donation link. It's also down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.